before every flight. The hardest task for a girl is often not flying the airplane itself, but the physical work that comes first. Pulling the aircraft out of the hangar, and then struggling to slide the heavy hangar doors shut. The airplane resists with its weight as the wheels slowly roll across the concrete, while the large metal doors groan and scrape as they are forced closed by hand. It takes strength, patience, and determination long before the engine even starts, making those first few moments one of the most demanding parts of the entire flight.